Hi guys, today we are going to review holographic kit from May, and the model name is the P162A. Before we start, we're gonna look at the company overview of May. The May is a micro display company to manufacture LCoS panel specialized in hologram and AR, VR industry. And for example, it can be products such as HMD and holographic kit. In detail to different process of manufacturing panel in reflective display. LCoS has more advantage than other micro display types such as high brightness, high resolution, true page modulation. Also, real holographic display mostly depends on LCoS technology. Let's have a look at holographic EV kit from May, and we can look at components of the EV kit. This is the holographic box. There are like very crucial parts in the inside, and there is a power cable and HDMI cable. Except them, there are two different software to operate the system. So if we look at the back side, there is the power switch and power connection port and EU export and HDMI port and the DC import. This is like 4 test drive boards, I think. And let's have a look inside. This is quite heavy. This is the inside. This is the razor and expander and LCoS panel from May. Basically, this razor is come out from this razor box and through this expander, and this panel reflect razor and make image. Okay guys, let's look at how to operate holographic kit. Where to operate this system. You can see very clear image from here. Then I'm gonna operate the multi-focus, which means the one panel shows 3 different types of information. This is panel, and I'm gonna show you the information, which is the drive speed 95 km, and the second information comes out the distance 1000 meter,